Hello viewers, Instagram new UI features not showing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram new UI features not showing problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here update your Instagram if it available on Play Store. Now wait for completing the update process. After completing the update process, now go back to home screen and tap and hold Instagram app. Now click on app info. Now click on storage. Click on clear data. Now click on clear cache. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Now open Instagram and see new UI features showing now. If still new UI features not showing, then follow next step. Click on profile icon. Now click on 3-line icon. Scroll down and find help option. Just click on help. Now click on report a problem. Click on report problem again. Now click on include and continue. Here describe your issues in details. Here type my Instagram account new UI features not showing, but I want to get this option, so please help me by solving issues as soon as possible. After typing this, now click on send. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved very soon. If you found any help from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.